it's Webkinznewspremium, and I'm with Skylar, my spooky puppy, and can you hear the rain? I'm sure you can, and it's nighttime, so it's dark out. It is, 1 second. 8:33. Anyway, I'm not sure if you can hear the thunder too, but there is thunder. And I'm going to try to show you. It's going to be hard because it's dark out. Oh, lightning hail. Ready, set, go! I put flash on. There's the gate. Ugh. It's bad out. I can't see it. I can see it with my eyes, but not the camera. Or the phone, I mean. See, it's the phone. Oh yeah. Phone. It's really dirty. Wow, that's disgusting. It's dangerous outside. Oh my gosh, it's really creepy out actually. Like when it's happening, especially when it's dark out, it's really scary. Like creepy and stuff. Why is my texting puppy on the floor? Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. And be careful. There's bad weather. Well, maybe not where you are right now, but that's pretty much it. Like, there's been bad weather lately because it is summer. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Ready? I'm going to do something awesome. Here's the mirror. Here's the phone. And then here is the webcams. Okay, that was really useless. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. She landed. Sitting. Oh my gosh, it's getting worse. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to end this video one last time. And I might make it not the last time on purpose. But probably not.